Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by placing 8–10 fresh mint leaves in a tall glass. This preserves aroma without bitterness. Add 25 ml simple syrup and 25 ml lime juice. These dissolve oils and balance acidity. Next, pour 50 ml white rum, reserve stirring until later. Now, using a firm muddler, press gently 2 to 3 times. You want oils released, not shredded leaves. Once done, leave the mint near the glass rim to keep bright flavor. Once muddling is complete, fill the glass 3/4 full with crushed or cubed ice to control dilution. Pour the reserved 50 ml white rum over the ice so alcohol diffuses evenly. This prevents overconcentration. Then top with approximately 100 ml club soda. Make sure to add soda slowly to preserve carbonation. Stir gently 6–8 times with a long spoon. This integrates syrup, lime, rum, and soda without crushing the mint further. Taste and adjust sweetness or lime as needed. You finish by garnishing with a mint sprig and a thin lime wheel. Lightly slap the mint between your palms to release top notes before placing it on the drink. Serve immediately with a straw to sip through layers of flavor, and make sure the glass is chilled so it stays bright for 10–15 minutes. If the mojito tastes flat, troubleshoot by verifying club soda fizz. If low, add 25–50 ml fresh soda and stir gently. This restores lift without diluting balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.